Now, what kinds of software applications do we have in terms of platforms? I think the easiest one is web-based application. We all know web, which is internet. How do you access applications through internet? If you want to log into your bank account in Bank of America, what do? You go to your laptop, you open either Chrome browser. In this case, guys, your teacher Muhtar, he loves Internet Explorer. It's his favorite browser. He will open Internet Explorer, go to www.bankofamerica.com, and the page will open up. They will log in and access their bank account, saving, checking, see the money in there, review the transactions, pay the bills, all these activities you can perform. Now, because you as an end user accessing to this Bank of America application through browser, that is called web-based application. It's on the web. Amazon.com, if you open it from your browser, it's web-based application. Almost every software have web-based application today is because internet is the way that we connect to the world and connect to those applications. Now, anything that you can open with browser, it's called web-based applications. Applications is interchangeable with software. People just use it. Sometimes they say applications, they say software. Web-based applications is anything that you can use browser to access any software. Browsers are Internet Explorer, your Muhtar's favorite browser, Chrome, Safari. I think these are major browsers people are using. Now, there are another types of software. It's called desktop applications. What is desktop applications? Desktop is literally your hardware. You know, your MacBook could be your desktop, your PC laptop, like Lenovo, whatever. It could be also your desktop or your actual desktop application, like a computer. I'm not sure people still have those kind of computer. Your computer is also your desktop. Can you imagine? I can give you an example. Word is an application that we use to type certain articles. It's a text editor. Word, now these days, you have to install the Word on your computer. So it's what now? Because you're installing the Word document in your laptop or your computer, it's desktop application. PowerPoint, for example, you're installing the PowerPoint in your computer. You're not accessing through the browser. That's why it's also desktop application. Now, these days, you can also install WhatsApp, Signal, or communication applications in your laptop. They have desktop version. Now you go to their website, you download, you install desktop applications. Anything that you install from the Apple Store to your laptop, desktop applications. Now versus desktop application in terms of this word, you have Google, for example, Doc. It's literally web-based application. You don't install Google Doc in your computer. You access Google Doc when you go to your gmail.com from your browser. And then from your Gmail, there's all the icons. You click it down, it's going to open all the icons, all the other tools. Now you click the Google Doc. So essentially, Google Doc is the same with the Microsoft Word document. But the Word document, you have to install Word in your computer, desktop application. The same functionality, the same software doing the different job from the different company called Google. You have to access Google Doc from the browser. Now Google Doc is web-based application. So you understand, desktop applications, whether it's Mac, whether it's PC, whether it's Linux, you have to install the software in your computer, desktop applications. But there are some applications that it's in the internet. You have to use browser to access, like Gmail, Amazon, all these things. Anything you access with browser is web-based application. Now, what is other type of application? Can you guys think about it? Yeah, you got it. Everything in your phone. Today's the world is dominated by two different operating system, OS, right? Which is Android, Samsung, Sony, Google phones, they are all using Android-based system. Inside that Android, you go to Android Marketplace. Now you have to install Lyft, Uber, or any banks that you're using. They have also their mobile application as well. You can go to App Store to install those applications in your phone. And the same thing in your Apple iPhone, in iOS, you also have to go to Instagram, Facebook, Netflix. You have to install those apps in your phone as well. Whatever installed in your phones, just open your phone today. All these applications are mobile applications. Now, there's an interesting thing now, compatibility issues. Sometimes what we have Google Chrome in our Android phone. It's a browser. In our smartphone, we have to open some websites now. Or in our iPhone, using Safari, we're going to access Amazon.com or some web applications. But the interesting thing is this: sometimes companies have to make their web-based applications compatible for mobile version. I would say still web-based application, but making the web-based application compatible to your cell phone or smartphone, because I believe 90% of the web activities right now, today's date, is happening on your phone. So now companies, they also build lots of applications, make it compatible for web applications, mobile version of the web applications, also desktop applications, and the mobile applications. These are different types of software that can be accessed in different platforms. In the short conclusion, there are different types of softwares. Desktop application you install in your desktop, web applications, anything that you access from the browser, as well as mobile application, whether it's your Android phone or iPhone, whatever the apps that you install in your phone, these are mobile apps, mobile applications.